have decided to start a free online tutorial for website design and development, and this is the first video from where you can start your journey toward website development. So in this video we are going to give you the brief introduction about HTML. So before starting the HTML, I would like to give you a little motivation to study HTML or to learn HTML. You may have seen many videos on internet which claim that you can develop a website within a few minutes just by using drag and drop framework. So if you are beginners and if you are really want to learn the everything about website development, I personally suggest not to use this drag and drop format. If you want to get a mastery on website design and development, I personally suggest you to learn the basic concept first. So to develop any website, first we need to learn the basic of HTML and CSS. Then we need to learn the Bootstrap. So this Bootstrap is the very good framework to design the best website that feeds on multiple screens. So this Bootstrap is really nice framework and worthy to learn. After learning this Bootstrap, then we need to learn the JavaScript. It is a language, it is a programming language that is used in client side to make our website dynamic and responsive. After that we need to learn the server-side programming language. We have many server-side programming languages, and the PHP is one of them, and it is very easy to learn, so that I have included in this tutorial. After learning PHP, then we need to learn MySQL. MySQL is a database engine that is used to perform the database operations and used to retrieve the data from servers and displays and sends over the client using the different requests like post, get, etc. We are going to learn everything about it in our upcoming videos. So if you really want to be a good website developer, or if you want to get a mastery on website development, then you need to learn this basic concept first. So if you are really want to learn all this concept, please do subscribe to our channel, because we are going to make a tutorial in such a way we are going to cover this all topic in our upcoming videos. If your friends tells you that he or she can develop a website without using HTML or without using coding, please show them this picture. This picture is the best picture to show or to motivate people to learn the basic concepts of basic concepts of website design. So without wasting much of time, so let's start our discussion. And in this video we are going to learn the basic of HTML and what HTML is. HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language for creating web pages. So this HTML is a language that is used to create web pages. HTML is not a programming language, but it is a markup language. You need to know the difference between the markup language and programming language. If you have a doubt regarding the markup language and programming language, we are going to make a separate video for them. For time being, consider this HTML is a standard markup language to create web pages. This HTML consists of series of tags or element which tells the browser how to display the content on web pages. So if you want to design the web pages, first you need to learn the HTML and what are the different types of elements that we have in HTML. So from next video we are going to start writing our first web pages using HTML and CSS. If you want to learn the HTML, CSS and everything about website design, do like, subscribe and please do comment your doubts so that we can clear your doubt regarding the topic. So from next step, sorry, so from next video we are going to start writing our first web page using HTML.